Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've just gotten your hands on a shiny new Capital One card, you're probably excited to start using it for shopping, travel, or everyday purchases. But before you swipe or tap, you need to activate it, and don't worry, it's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps so you can get up and running quickly. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your card handy along with any information you'll need, like your social security number, date of birth, and the card's details printed on it. This helps verify your identity and keeps everything secure. The easiest way to activate your card is online. Head over to the Capital One website at CapitalOne.com. Once you're there, look for the Activate Card section. It's usually right on the homepage or under the account login area. You'll need to enter your card number, the 3-digit security code on the back, and some personal info. Just follow the prompts, and it should only take about a minute or two. If you prefer not to use the website, you can activate via the Capital One mobile app. Download it from your app store if you haven't already, log in with your credentials, and find the activation option in your account dashboard. It's super convenient if you're always on the go. Another option is calling the activation line. Flip your card over, and you'll see a toll-free number specifically for activation. When you call, a representative will guide you through the process over the phone. Just have your info ready to answer a few quick questions. Quick tip: if you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check that you're entering the correct details or try again later. Capital One's customer service is available 24/7 if you need help. And there you have it. Your Capital One card is now activated and ready for action. Remember, activating your card not only unlocks its features but also adds an extra layer of security. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.